This is chapter number 1, India, size and location. We are taking question and answer on India, size and location. Choose the right answer from these 4 alternatives given below. So Tropic of Cancer does not pass through. So this is the Tropic of Cancer. So it doesn't pass through Odisha. It does pass through all others, but it doesn't pass through Odisha. The easternmost longitude of India. So this is these are longitudes, these are latitudes, these are longitudes. So which is the easternmost? So this is north, this is south, east and west. So this is the easternmost. What is the number? The answer is 97 degree 25 minute east, because it is in the east of the prime meridian, that is world's prime meridian from Greenwich. Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal and Sikkim have common frontier with, means they share boundary with which country? The answer is Nepal. If you see here, this is Nepal. So all these let me show you here. All these names, they share boundary with Nepal. If you intended to visit Kavaratti, Kavaratti is the capital of the Union Territory Lakshadweep. So if you intended to visit Kavaratti during the summer vacation, which one of the following Union Territories of India will you be going to? As I just answered, it's Lakshadweep. The answer is B. It's K actually. My friend hails from a country which does not share land boundary with India. Identify the country. Bhutan, Bangladesh and Nepal, they all have, means India have common borders with them. But Tajikistan, we don't share the boundary with Tajikistan. So this is the answer. Answer the following questions briefly. Name the group of islands lying in the Arabian Sea. So this is Arabian Sea. What are these? These are Lakshadweep. So answer will be Lakshadweep Islands in the Arabian Sea. Name the countries which are larger than India. So we have, India is the 7th largest country of the world. So 1 to 6 we have to answer. First one is, of course, the largest one, which is Russia. Second is Canada, then US, China, Australia, Brazil, and then India. Which island group of India lies to its southeast? So this is the island southeast. This is north, south, east and west. So which is the southeast? This one, which is our Andaman and Nicobar Islands, lie to the southeast of India. Which island countries are our southern neighbors? So just below this Lakshadweep we have Maldives, and here we have Sri Lanka. So Sri Lanka and Maldives, these are the 2 island countries that are neighbors of India. The sun rises 2 hours earlier in Arunachal Pradesh as compared to Gujarat in the west, but the watches show the same time. If a person is in Arunachal Pradesh having a watch and Gujarat, at the same time their watch will show the same time. There will be no 2-hour difference. How does this happen? First, let me show you the picture. See, the sun rays first comes at or reaches Arunachal Pradesh. After 2 hours, because it takes time, because we are 30 degree, almost 30 degree in longitude. So when Earth revolves around its axis, it takes around 2 hours for the sunlight to reach Gujarat or this point. So there is a 2-hour difference. So we have to solve this. We have a line which is passing through or 82 degree 30 minutes line, which is called the Indian Standard Time line. I mean, I'll just name the line also. It is around 82 degree 30 minutes passing through Mirzapur of Uttar Pradesh, and the line, the time which is shown at this line is the time of the person who is at Karnataka, Jammu Kashmir, Gujarat or Arunachal Pradesh. Everyone will have the same time. Now, from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh, from here to here, there is a lag of 2 hours. But the watches show the same time because the time along the standard meridian, this is the line which is called this is the line actually, because it passes through Uttar Pradesh. So this is 82 degree 30 minutes passing through Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh is taken as the standard time, or you can say IST, Indian Standard Time, for the whole country. Even if you are in Lakshadweep, even if you are in Andaman Nicobar Islands, you will have the same time. Because the same standard time for the whole country has been adopted, the watches show the same time in Arunachal Pradesh and Gujarat and in all parts of the country. The central location of India at the head of Indian Ocean is considered of great significance. So let me show you where we are. This is the Indian Ocean. So we are here. So this is the Indian Ocean and we are just at the center point. So the Indian landmass has a central location between East and West Asia. India has a southward extension of the Asian continent. The trans-Indian Ocean routes which connect the countries in Europe, like these routes. In the west to the countries of East Asia provides, and here to these countries, they provide a strategic central location to India. The Deccan Peninsula protrudes. This is the Deccan Peninsula. Peninsula means a region, an area where one area is the landmass, other we have sea or water. So this protrudes, this is kind of protrudement into the Indian Ocean, thus helping India to establish close contact with West Asia, Africa and Europe from the western coast and southern east, and East Asia from the eastern coast. No other country has a long coastline. See, we have all this long coastline. It's huge. Long coastline on the Indian Ocean as India has. So India's eminent position, strategic position in the Indian Ocean justifies the naming of the ocean, this Indian Ocean, after Indian Ocean. So we have a ocean in our name, by our name. Identify the following with the help of map reading. So let us take one by one. The island groups of India lying in the Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal. So what are the islands? These islands. These are the Lakshadweep. And what are these islands? These are the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. The countries constituting the Indian subcontinent, and this is Pakistan, Afghanistan. Then we have the Nepal. Then we have Bhutan, and China also, Tibet, and Myanmar and Bangladesh. The states through which the Tropic of Cancer passes, all these states you have to answer. So we have Gujarat, then Rajasthan here, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Pashchim Bengal, and Tripura and Mizoram. So Tripura and Mizoram also are there, like this. The northernmost latitude in degrees, so this is northernmost, this is the southernmost, it is around 8 degree 4 minutes. The northernmost is this one, latitude we are talking about. It is 37 degrees 6 minutes. The southernmost latitude of the Indian mainland in degrees, 8 degree 4 minutes, north. Why it is north? Because India lies here, in the northern hemisphere, that is why it is north. The eastern and western longitude in degrees, so this is the western, this is the eastern. So we have, this is 68, this is the eastern, this is western. This is 68 degree 7 minutes, and this one is 97 degree 25 minutes. The place situated on the 3 seas, it's Kanyakumari here. See, this is Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal, and we have this third one is the Indian Ocean. So this is Kanyakumari. The strait separating Sri Lanka from India, or this is called this is Mannar Ki Khadi or Park Strait, or Gulf of Mannar. The Union Territories of India, we have 9 Union Territories. 2 have been added, will be added in October 2019, and these will be Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh. So Andaman Nicobar Islands, Chandigarh, Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Daman and Diu, Lakshadweep, Puducherry and Delhi, along with Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh. So it constitutes 9 of them. Just add Jammu Kashmir and add Ladakh. Find out the longitudinal and latitudinal extent of your state. So this you have to do by yourself. I'll just give you an idea. If you're living in Uttar Pradesh, longitudinal means if this is Uttar Pradesh, the longitudinal is 77 degree 4 minutes to 84 degree 39 minutes. And the latitudinal means these lines are from 23 to 30 degree 20 minutes. Collect information about the Silk Route. Also find out the new developments which are improving communication routes in the regions of the high altitude. So you have to do it yourself. I will just give you information about what we have idea about the history. The Silk Route or Silk Road refers to historical network of interlinking or inter-road or inter-route trade routes across the Afro-Eurasian landmass that connected East, South and Western Asia with the Mediterranean and European world, as well as parts of North and East Africa. The land routes were supplemented by the sea routes, which extended from the Red Sea to coastal India, China and Southeast Asia. Extending 4,000 miles, that is around 6,500 kilometers, the Silk Road gets its name from the lucrative Chinese silk trades along it, which began during the Han Dynasty. The Central Asian sections of the trade routes were expanded around 114 before the Common Era by the Han Dynasty, largely through the missions and explorations of Zhang Qian, but earlier trade routes across the continents already existed. In the late Middle Ages, transcontinental trade over the land routes of the Silk Road declined as sea trade increased. In the recent years, both the maritime and overland silk routes are again being used, often closely following the ancient routes. Communication routes in regions of high altitude are nowadays through helicopter for closer distances and through high altitude railways like the Uinkai Railway in China, linking Lhasa, that is the capital of Tibet, with the rest of the world. More information we can easily find on various platforms like internet. So this is all about this topic. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself.